Hey Jules, welcome back to my part 2 of my Nicki Minaj inspired tutorial. Triple Bear Waver I'm using. I got it from my local Ross for about $10. I strongly suggest that you check Ross or TJ Maxx or Marshalls before you venture out to Sally's or even ordering one online. I'm going to be sectioning off my hair and I'm going to be spraying each section with my Pump It Up styling spritz. So this is super important. I'm using my Beyond the Zone Turn Up the Heat Flat Iron Spray, and I'm going to be spraying that on each section as well to protect my hair from all of the heat from my Triple Bear Waver. So we're going to start trimming our baby hair so that we can lay them down and have them laid, slayed, like my good sis Nikki's word. So I'm going to be using this edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm going to be spraying it with my Freeze Blasting Spray by Got2b, and I'm going to just use that to swoop my edges into place. Next, I'm going to be using my Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream, and I'm just going to smooth that all over the top of my head to smooth down those flyaways. Next, I'm going to be using my Silk Remedy Serum by GVP that I got at Sally's. I'm going to just smooth that all throughout my hair to add some shine. I like this because it's extremely lightweight, so it won't weigh the hair down. And last but not least, I think I'm the only one that does this, but I hope not. I like to spray my hair upside down with my Got2b glue spray. And then after I spray it, I like to move it around like sideways so that it can dry kind of. And then when I bring it back up, it'll still have a little bit more volume and it'll be dried how I was spraying upside down, if you know what I mean. And that's it, Jules. Thank you so much for watching. And if you didn't watch the part 1, make sure you watch it to see how I created this beautiful makeup look. Bye!